The United States is once again tightening its travel policies, and this time, citizens from Pakistan and Afghanistan may be directly impacted. With growing concerns over security, immigration, and foreign policy, the U.S. government is considering new restrictions that could significantly affect travelers from these two nations. But why now? What does this mean for Pakistani and Afghan citizens? Let's break it all down. This isn't the first time the U.S. has imposed travel restrictions based on national security concerns. In 2017, then President Donald Trump introduced what was widely referred to as the Muslim ban, restricting travel from several predominantly Muslim countries, including Iran, Syria, Yemen, Libya, and Somalia. Although Pakistan and Afghanistan were not directly affected then, the focus on counterterrorism and immigration enforcement remains a key U.S. policy. According to recent reports, the Biden administration and certain policymakers are reviewing security measures concerning travelers from Afghanistan and Pakistan. There are multiple reasons behind this move, ranging from concerns over undocumented migration to security threats linked to extremist elements. The State Department is conducting a comprehensive review of visa policies. Special Immigrant Visa, SIV. Holders and refugees from Afghanistan might face delays or denials in entry. Pakistani travelers are reportedly under stricter scrutiny for U.S. visa approvals. Visa applicants from Pakistan and Afghanistan have reported increased wait times and additional screening requirements. Immigration experts suggest that this could be the first step toward a formal travel restriction policy. The U.S. government has cited multiple factors for these proposed restrictions. The rise in asylum seekers. Following the Taliban takeover in 2021, thousands of Afghan refugees sought asylum in the U.S. Many remain in limbo due to backlogs and policy shifts. Security risks. Concerns over Taliban members or extremists infiltrating the visa process have led to calls for more stringent background checks. Pakistan's role. The U.S. has been closely monitoring Pakistan's policies regarding terrorism and its relations with the Taliban. While Pakistani authorities have expressed concern over these possible travel restrictions, the U.S. government has not yet provided a clear response. However, some reports suggest that Pakistani nationals could soon experience additional limitations when applying for U.S. visas. If these restrictions are implemented, they could have severe consequences for individuals and families, particularly those seeking asylum, education, or business opportunities. Key areas of impact include refugees and SIV holders. Thousands of Afghans who work with the U.S. military are still waiting for resettlement. A ban could leave them vulnerable. Students and workers. Many Pakistani and Afghan students attend universities, and the U.S. stricter visa policies may disrupt their academic plans. Family reunifications. Many families rely on U.S. visas to visit relatives. Restrictions would make it harder for them to reunite. Immigration and human rights organizations have criticized these potential restrictions, arguing that they unfairly target innocent individuals. Organizations such as the Council on American-Islamic Relations, CAIR, have already advised Pakistani and Afghan nationals to avoid overseas travel until there is more clarity. We strongly advise travelers from Pakistan and Afghanistan to postpone non-essential travel and consult an immigration attorney before making any decisions. Experts suggest that those affected should seek legal counsel and stay updated on official announcements. If you are currently in the U.S. on a visa, consult with an immigration attorney before making travel plans. While the U.S. government has not made an official announcement yet, reports indicate that a decision could be made soon. If you or someone you know is affected, stay informed and prepare for possible changes. Key takeaways include that the U.S. is reviewing travel policies for Afghan and Pakistani citizens. Visa applications from these countries are facing increased scrutiny. Refugees, students, and families could be most affected, and legal experts advise caution and stay informed on policy updates. As the situation develops, we'll keep you updated. If you're a Pakistani or Afghan citizen with U.S. travel plans, make sure you stay up to date with official announcements and legal advisories. What are your thoughts on these potential restrictions? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more global updates. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay safe.